data don't exist to support that claim. Jane Long, with the California Council on Science and Technology, is one of the study's lead authors.
This is not to dismiss the potential, but to say that we don't know what it is. It could be zero, it could be 15 billion barrels, it could be more than 15 billion barrels. We don't really know how much oil is there, and we don't really know what would work to produce it.
According to Long, 20% of oil produced in California comes from fracking. She says currently fracking is done in shallower wells here than in other states and requires much less water per well. But that, she says, raises other issues.
The concern might be, as a result of these hydraulic fractures being very shallow, that they might have more potential to connect to aquifers that have usable water in them that are near surface.
Long says the scientific panel will release its report on potential water contamination and other environmental hazards in July. State oil regulators yesterday released an environmental impact report that says some impacts of fracking on greenhouse gas emissions and endangered species are significant and cannot be mitigated. For the California Report, I'm Peter John Shula.
Most people in the world do not realize that Germany has banned fracking, and they did it by first passing a policy called the solar payment policy that requires utilities to pay homeowners 99 cents a kilowatt hour. Germany began at 99 cents because they decided there was a climate emergency going on and they needed to upgrade and speed up the transfer from oil to solar, the economic change from oil to solar. And so Germany began this 20-year contract of paying homeowners with solar panels feeding onto the grid 99 cents a kilowatt hour. As the price of solar panels has fallen, Germany has lowered the amount of the hourly payments for those feeding solar onto the grid. Now here in California, we have just passed AB 327, which requires the PUC to set a rate for paying solar homeowners. Only under Mike Peavy, the PUC instead violated the regulations and cut the rate of rates for the rich and the industrial smelting operations and raised rates for the poor. So we now, with this new PUC head, Michael Pickett's, we need to correct that error through a cleanup doctrine. Thank you.